NVWA1 for installation tutorial. Install accessory rack. One side installation completed. The method on the other side is consistent. Install accessory clips behind the instrument. Align the card slot position. Insert. Next, install in sequence. The accessory rack is installed on the far right side. The installation of the accessory rack behind the instrument has been completed. Plug the handle into the corresponding port, respectively. Pay attention before installing this handle. Tighten the front hole position to install the filter codo. Filter cotton is placed inside the hole position. Tighten the installation agay. Then place the handle in turn on the accessory rack. Instrument installation completed. Diamond micro engraving adjusts the size of the suctio. Push the knob down for large, smaller upwards. Adjust section as needed. Micro bubble adjustment of section adjustment. Push the knob down for large, smaller upwards. B. See bottle selection adjusted according to needs. Discharge regulatio. Push the knob down for large, smaller upwards. Adjust as needed. Clean your face before operation. Micro bubble cleaning. Click the small bubble function. Click to start. Clean the small bubbles according to the operation. Or short distance pull. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Diamond micro engraving. Click on the diamond micro engraving function. Click to start. Diamond grinding operation. Operate on the T-shaped area and pull upwards. Or horizontal pulling operation. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Oxygenating handle. Click on the oxygenation function. Click to start. Oxygen injection handle inside the bottle. Filled in toner or diluted essence. Follow the contour upwards. Shovel handle. Select M1 mode. Energy 6 start adjustment. Click to start. Operation of shovel handling. Remove gloves before operation. Follow the contour upwards. Start facial operation. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Eye handle. Click on the eye function. Energy suggestion 3 start adjustment. Click to start. Eye operation. Apply essence to the eyes first. Handle operations around the eye area. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. IH are handling. Energy suggestion 3 start adjustment. Select M1 mode. Click to start. Apply eye essence again before bipolar handle operation. Apply pressure to the skin while circling around the eyes during the operation. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. 3-level temperature wave handle. Energy suggestion 5 start adjustment. Select M1 mode. Click to start. Face operation apply essence or gel on the face. Apply evenly to the entire face. 3-pole handle operation for upward lifting. Note that the probe's surface must be tightly attached to the ski. Operation time 10 to 15 minutes. Oxygenating bubble handle. Select M1 mode. Gear selection first gear. Click to start. Oxygen bubble handle. Apply essence gel on face. Circle up operation. Helps relax facial muscles. Operation time 10 to 15 minutes. Vibrating atomizer handle. Select M1 mode. Energy 5 start adjustment. Click to start. Apply essence on the front of the operation. Vibration atomization handle operation. Circle upwards. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Cold and hot hammer handle. Select cold function. Set the temperature to 0 degrees. Click to start. Cold and hot hammer handle. Functional selection ice hammer. Set the temperature to 0 degrees and operate in a circular motion. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Ozone ion handling. Select M1 mode. Energy suggestion 3 start adjustment. Click to start. Ozone ion handling operation. For skin with acne, operates on the area of skin that is red. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. High frequency handling operation. First, open the knob under the handle. Adjust energy based on customer's skin condition. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Spot remover. Click on the spotting pen function. Energy setting is recommended to be 1. Click to start. Spot remover. We are operating on pigmented or moles. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes. Nanocrystalline handling. Click to start. Long press the power button to turno. Press the button to adjust the gear. Choose as needed. Microcrystalline head handle. Load the microcrystalline pay, twist, and thread eye. Installation completed. Wipe the face with gauze soaked in saline before operation. Circling the face. Operation time 5 to 8 minutes.